Have you ever felt like someone was lying to you, but you couldn't prove it? Or sensed something was wrong, even though everything seemed fine? That's your intuition picking up on body language. Today, I'll teach you 7 powerful skills to read people silently. No words needed. Just observation. Hello, my lovely learners, and welcome back to Plain Simple English. Today's lesson is special because we're not just learning English. We're learning life skills. Skills that help you understand people, protect yourself, and communicate better. And while you learn these secrets, you'll also improve your English listening and understanding. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and like this video. Let's discover how to read people like a book. Skill 1. The eyes never lie. Most people focus on words when someone speaks. But words can be rehearsed. Words can be fake. Eyes cannot. The eyes reveal true emotions: fear, joy, guilt, attraction, sadness. Even when the mouth says something completely different. Here's what to watch for. Rapid blinking means stress or nervousness. Avoiding eye contact suggests discomfort or hiding something. Looking up and to the left often means creating a story, not remembering the truth. Dilated pupils show interest or excitement. Small pupils can indicate fear or discomfort. Real example. Your friend says, "I'm totally fine with your decision," with a smile. But their eyes blink rapidly, and they look away quickly. Their words say acceptance, but their eyes say hurt. Practice tip. During conversations, gently observe the eyes. Don't stare, just notice. Over time, you'll start reading emotions before people speak them. Skill 2. Feet don't lie. Here's something fascinating. People can control their face and words, but they often forget about their feet. Our feet naturally point toward what we want and away from what we don't want. Watch for these signals. Feet pointing toward you means interest and engagement. Feet pointing toward the door or exit means they want to leave. Nervous bouncing or tapping means anxiety or impatience. Still, grounded feet suggest confidence and comfort. Real example. You're in a meeting. A colleague is smiling and nodding at your idea, but their feet are pointed toward the door. Their body is saying, "I want to leave." Practice tip. Next time you're talking to someone, casually glance at their feet. You'll be surprised how honest they are. Skill 3. Tiny movements reveal truth. Real emotions hide in small, unconscious movements. A quick scratch. A nervous cough. A sudden twitch. These are called micromovements, and they happen when someone feels uncomfortable. Common micromovements. Touching the nose or face when lying or stressed. Rubbing the neck when anxious. Covering the mouth when unsure about what they are saying. Playing with hair when nervous or attracted to someone. Real example. A student tells you, "I finished the homework." But while speaking, they scratch their ear and look down. That small movement reveals doubt or dishonesty. Practice tip. Watch hands, shoulders, and face during important conversations. These tiny signals speak louder than words. Skill 4. Listen to the silence. Sometimes what people don't say is more important than what they do say. Silence can hide secrets. Silence can reveal fear. Pay attention to topics they avoid completely, questions they laugh off without answering, names or details they skip over. Real example. Your friend says, "We had a great weekend. We went shopping and ate at a restaurant." But they never mention who "we" is. That silence is telling you something. Practice tip. When someone shares a story, listen for gaps. What did they leave out? Who did they not mention? Those missing pieces often hold the truth. Skill 5. Timing reveals emotion. Honest answers have natural timing. Lies have rehearsed timing. Here's what to notice. Answering too quickly means the response was prepared in advance. Long pauses before answering suggest they're creating a story. Over-explaining simple questions reveals guilt or nervousness. Real example. You ask your partner, "Where were you last night?" They answer instantly with perfect detail. "I was at Mike's house watching the game until 10:30, then I stopped for gas and came straight home." Too fast, too perfect, likely rehearsed. Compare that to a pause, then, "Oh, I was at Mike's place. We watched the game." Natural pauses show real memory, not a prepared script. Practice tip. Pay attention to the speed of responses. Truth has rhythm. Lies have polish. Skill 6. Patterns predict the future. People's past behavior is the best predictor of future behavior. Not their promises. Not their words. Their patterns. Watch for someone who always cancels plans at the last minute. Someone who blames others for every problem. Someone who says "I'll change," but repeats the same mistakes. Real example. Your friend joins a gym in January, quits by February. Joins again in June, quits by July. The pattern is clear, they are not ready to commit yet. Practice tip. Track behavior over weeks and months, not just days. Patterns reveal character better than any conversation. Skill 7. Watch how they treat others. This is the ultimate test of character. Anyone can be polite to their boss or someone they need. But how do they treat people who can't help them? Pay attention to how they speak to waiters, cleaners, or delivery workers. How they react when no one important is watching. How they treat people who made a mistake. Real example. Someone is charming and respectful during a business meeting. But after the meeting, they snap at the waiter for bringing the wrong drink. That's their real personality. The truth is simple. How people treat those with less power reveals who they truly are. Practice tip. Observe people in different settings. Do they stay kind when no one is watching? That's real character. Now you know 7 silent skills to read people. Watch the eyes for truth. Watch the feet for direction. Notice tiny movements for hidden emotion. Listen to what's not said. Feel the timing of responses. Track patterns over time. And always watch how they treat the powerless. These skills don't just help you understand others. They protect you, build your emotional intelligence, and make you a better communicator. If you found this lesson valuable, please like this video and subscribe to Plain Simple English. We create lessons that teach both life skills and English together. Comment below, which skill surprised you the most? Will you start watching eyes, feet, or silence first? Thank you for learning with us. Keep observing, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.